And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And those interruptions may continue right into the morning tomorrow with some gusty winds, not just for tonight, but lingering into the day for tomorrow. Right now, just a lot of cloud cover. We had some rain this morning, but overall, the day itself has been mainly dry. Just a lot of clouds, a little sun at times, and it's so incredibly mild. Temperatures taking off today. As mentioned earlier, it felt like spring, and for some of you, it certainly did. When we hit the low 60s earlier, now a combination of mid to upper 50s. These temperatures won't move much through the evening, but after midnight and eventually by morning, some colder air off to the north and west. It's very subtle right now. You see the 50s to near 60, but in Montreal right now, 32, and you see this darker blue color that's moving closer to Buffalo right now. Temperatures will drop throughout that football game tonight with the Pats and Bills, and that colder air will arrive here by morning. So a big time change in the air mass, and something has to move through to make that change. It'll be a cold front that moves through during the night tonight, likely approaching the region sometime around 9 or 10 p.m. That's when we'll be bringing some rain back into the forecast. After that rain this morning, we'll have another round of rain tonight. That will also be when we'll start to crank these winds up. Now, through the evening, winds will continue to gust 25, 30 miles an hour. But once that front gets here, especially when we go to air at 11 o'clock, gust 40, 50 miles an hour. Certainly part of the forecast tonight when that front passes through. That will usher in a blast of colder air tomorrow and remaining breezy tomorrow, especially in the morning. So even though there's a lot of sunshine in the forecast tomorrow, it will be a blustery day behind this front. The wind gusts right now, generally about 25 to 30 miles an hour. Notice how they're out of the southwest. That's ushering in milder air, but also gusty conditions. These winds will increase before they drop back tomorrow afternoon. And when those winds reach their peak during the overnight, that will be a concern for any kind of isolated power outages, any kind of tree limb damage or tree damage. And, you know, if you have holiday decorations out right now and they've got that big snowman outside, you want to be really careful. It's going to blow away if you don't have it pinned down because those winds will be strong. So dry right now. Here's the rainfall back to the west. Moved through Buffalo, the frontal boundaries, continuing to move through New York and eventually into western New England as we go into the evening hours. And that rain will get here sometime about 8, 9 o'clock. Rainfall temperatures, when you see the overnight, you think, okay, rainfall, and you see 30s, you think, oh my goodness, that's kind of cold. But keep in mind, the rainfall is going to fall when the temperatures are still mild. Not until after midnight into the morning do we get back to these lows. So therefore, this is a rain event. Winds will be gusty during the overnight. For tomorrow, sunshine, breezy, temperatures low 40s, feel like 30s. So out and about in the morning tomorrow, mid 30s. Warming up only to the low 40s. That breeze will back off in the afternoon and some clouds will come in by evening, but a noticeable difference, about 20 degrees cooler during the day tomorrow. So Futurecast, here's your showers coming in for tonight. They're quick in, quick out. This is not a big rain event. It's more of a wind event. By 11 p.m., the back edge of the clouds will start moving out. There's your sunshine for tomorrow. And overall, not a bad day, just a blustery day. Now, in addition to the wind event we have for tonight, many of you have been kind of scouring social media and you know that there's something happening for Wednesday, the potential for some snow. And right now it does look like there'll be some snow for Wednesday. It does not look like a big storm though. As we go into Wednesday afternoon, some snow will move in, mixing with some rain at the coast. Right now the core of the heaviest precipitation looks like it will stay offshore. So this turns out to be a light snow event as we go into Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. I don't think that it will pile up. Maybe an inch or two is what we're looking at. And by the time we get to Thursday morning, this precipitation is moving out and therefore coming to an end. Once we get past that little rain snow event on Wednesday, milder temperatures once again for the weekend. That means more rain for Saturday and Sunday with highs in the 50s to near 60 degrees. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. Come on first at